So, I talk a lot about how to get glowing skin, but then I realized that I should actually talk about how to get rid of acne and fade acne scar faster. Since it's never too late, I am here with my skincare routine that takes care of acne and acne scar. So with that being said, let's get started. These days I am doing double cleansing and I'll start the skincare routine with this. This is the Ginseng cleansing oil by Beauty of Joseon, which was pretty hyped, and this is actually a very good product. So I'll take just 2 pumps of this, and you are actually supposed to emulsify it with water. And now this product is actually very good. It literally melts down everything within seconds, and this is not too thick, not too heavy. If you wash it with water-based cleanser, it will go away and you won't feel any greasiness or oiliness left behind. So recently I went somewhere. So it was a coal mining area and we went there in the morning, and when I reached home at night, when I wiped my skin, I could see the pollutants, the black layer on my fingers. I was so terrified and I knew that something is going to happen with my skin. This is one reason why you are seeing lots of acne on my cheeks. And the second and most annoying reason is I recently tried a face wash that had 2% salicylic acid. I knew that it has salicylic acid, but I didn't notice the 2% thing. And you know, I have a sensitive skin, and when you have a sensitive skin and you are using such a strong exfoliant day and night for like a period, it will definitely break you out. And the same thing happened to me. I got lots of painful cystic acne all over my cheek, and don't even ask, guys, it was really frustrating. So now that we are done with our oil cleansing, now I'll go and wash my face with water-based cleanser. So as water-based cleanser, I use this Simple Kind to Skin face wash, and I cannot tell you how mild and effective it is. I believe this is the mildest and most effective face wash on this earth, especially if you have sensitive skin. This suits all type of skin, like oily to dry. Since this is so mild, it doesn't dry out your skin. Also, this is very effective in cleaning the dirt and sebum. Now here's the thing. If you have a sensitive skin and if you get lots of acne, especially cystic acne, then you need to try something. You need to try skincare products that has either ceramide, cica or centella asiatica or chamomile extract, because they are really soothing and they, you know, support the skin barrier. They calm your skin down, and eventually it also helps you with your acne. That's why these days I am using this Biocule's calming toner, and I'm telling you, this is really something. It has cica, centella asiatica and chamomile extract. So this toner is loaded with soothing ingredients. I just take this toner and 2 cotton pads, then I pour the toner in this, and this has a really watery consistency, very lightweight yet very hydrating. So this is actually meant for dry skin, but it suits my combination to oily skin really well. Now we are gonna stretch these cotton pads a little so they get enlarged a little. Now we will just separate this and put it on the skin. So after 5 to 10 minutes, I'll take these off and wipe my neck with light pressure so that it releases the excess product and my skin absorbs it. And you know, wiping your skin with cotton pad also helps you with exfoliation. Like this very gently exfoliates, but not too harsh. So like this is perfect for sensitive skin. So now that we are done with the hydration part, we will hydrate and soothe our skin again, because this is never enough. So again, I'm using another product from Biocule, and it's their calming serum. I actually got them together and I'm very thankful that I did. The consistency of this serum is really amazing. It has a very lightweight gel-like consistency which gets absorbed within seconds and leaves a very, you know, shiny layer on your skin. And it also has cica, centella asiatica and chamomile extract, again loaded with soothing ingredients. Little bit of the product, and just, you know, I really love this brand because they are free from so many harmful ingredients, artificial dyes, colors. I just love how natural and mild their products are. So we are not letting up too many products today. Next, I'll use a moisturizer. Now let me tell you, I don't use this moisturizer every day. Like, I don't even use moisturizer every day because I use sunscreen, and these days sunscreens are very hydrating, moisturizing, and they do the job. So I don't add extra products. But these days, since I have lots of acne scar, I'm using this because it has 2% niacinamide, which is effective in reducing acne scars, and also it hydrates and adds a very pretty glow to your skin. I'm using it. Since I'm a hygiene freak, I always get the product out of the bottle like this. I try my best to avoid touching products directly because I have a sensitive skin and I'm very sensitive about skin and hygiene. So I'll wait for a few seconds and let this product get absorbed. Then we will apply our sunscreen. As for the sunscreen, we will use this Beauty of Joseon Rice and Probiotic Sunscreen. This actually gives you a very nice glow, is very hydrating, lightweight, but the only problem with this is it takes forever to get absorbed because of course that's the problem with lotion based products, and this has a very lightweight lotion like consistency, so it takes little time to get absorbed. It doesn't leave any white cast, but the blending process is really frustrating. And lastly, I'll apply my favorite Roman Lasting Melting Balm. This is in the shade Mauve Weep, and this shade is really pretty. This is what I'm wearing right now also. So that's pretty much what I do for my skin when it's super sensitive. So that's it for today. I'll see you soon in my next videos. Till then, annyeong!